Hello, my name is Reza Barka. I'm originally from Bandung and I'm studying about marine information system or sistem informasi kelautan. Why did I apply the internship program here? Because I really liked conservation. Just wanna more deep to learn about conservation and properly. Yeah. My research is about comparison, natural reef, and artificial reef with fish indicator butterfly fish. For the internship that I enjoy is I got a lot of friends here actually, and I got really a lot of friends from another country and make me maybe I can say my English become better. After this, I wanna build organization for conservation in Java because as you can see in Java it's really bad. Here it's already good. Yeah. So if I wanna build the marine conservation organization, I'll come here to talk with Yasmin and Egi or Andrew for advice or anything that I can start with. I did my internship here for 4 months and I really enjoyed it because it's a nice island and a nice dive centers. Yeah, it's pretty, I learned. Look at it. Ooh!